Okay, hi Rokid. What is the benefits of ginger shot?
Based on current research, here are the key benefits of ginger shots for your blog. Primary benefits: immune support, powerful immune boosting properties to fight colds and flu. Digestive health, soothes upset stomach, reduces nausea, and improves gut motility. Anti-inflammatory, contains anti-inflammatory compounds that support overall wellness. Metabolism support, helps maintain balanced metabolism. Energy boosts, provides natural energy without caffeine. Additional perks: mood improvement over time, gut health support, especially when combined with probiotics. Concentrated wellness in a small serving.
Okay. I think we are now going to do my ginger shot. Nakikita niyo ba ako? Hi! Hello! Good morning! I'm using my Rokid AI glasses. And this is my juicer from Lazada. And I'm going to use this also. Itong power blender. Kasi super galing nito mag-chop and dice. Kasi, this one naman, medyo maliit lang yung blade eh. Nakikita nyo ba? So, kailangan ko to para mas mabilis ang trabaho nito. And here are our ingredients. We have our ginger, of course. We have our gingers. Turmeric, lemons, and orange and green apple. So, ang iinom nito ay mga 4 people. So, me, Aurora, my mom, and dad. So, ewan ko lang kung si Tita Rose kukain din. So, let's start! So, ayun, hiwain natin ng maliliit ang ating ginger para mas madali silang i-grind mamaya. So, yan. Ito palang mga ginger na to galing sa Landers, kaya medyo malinis-linis. Pag kasi may nabili ako, may lupa pa. So, kailangan talagang hugasan. Itong turmeric, wag na natin yan hiwain dahil sobra yan manghawa. As in. Also, itong mga lemons. Lagyan na natin lahat ng lemons. Ay! Hugasan na natin kasama niyan. Mamaya ko na siya hihiwain. Also, we're going to need 3 green apples. Ayan, so may 3 pa. And orange. Alright. Okay, now we are cleaning! Ayan. Anak, dalhin mo nga dito. And I have my junior chef. Ano ba tawag doon? Yung assistant mo. Assistant chef. With me. Kararating lang from school. Say hi! Say hi! Wait lang daw. Okay. Linisan lang natin. No? Say hi! Cause, itong mga lemon muna yung hiwain ko. Yeah, there you go. Good job.
I want to do lemon.
Okay, you do lemon.
I cut each one. You cut it in half.
Alright.
Where did my knife go?
Where did your knife go? I don't know. Dito muna tayo, no? Mamaya na, lagyan mo muna to. See? Diba? Ang bilis niyang mag-slice and dice. So, we will just transfer it here.
Pero you fainted when you were in the gym. Because it's the start of intrams.
By the way, hindi ko pala tinanggal yung balat ng lemon kasi isusqueeze out yan ng juicer. Kaya pati yung ginger, hindi ko na rin binalitan. Okay, now we start to juice it. Juice it. Juice it.
Okay?
Juice it.
I want to do that. I want to do
Juice it. Juice it. Juice it.
So, we are going to juice the lemon and ginger and turmeric. Here, I'll show you. This is for the juice. This is for the skin. But if I open the lid, this will stop.
Oh, now, ito na yung garlic. Lalagyan din natin yan ng garlic. Papatuyuin lang natin sila, no? Okay. And, nangangalahati na tayo sa pag-juice. So, wait lang, ha? Ayan. I-drain lang yan. And then, here's our juice! Pero may kalahati pa tayo. So, since po puno na to, yan. Lipat lang natin dito. Kasi here naman, lalagyan natin yan ng pepper. Ayun, may mga stuff pa dun sa ilalim. Mamaya. Pepper, cayenne, and more turmeric powder. Hahalu-haluin, cinnamon. Hahalu-haluin lang natin yan. Lagyan na natin to lahat. Kita mo, ayun yung yellow. That's the turmeric. Naghahawa talaga siya. So, kung hindi nyo siya, kung gusto nyo talaga na fresh turmeric, I advise wear gloves or talagang wag nyong hahawakan. Dahil nakakahawa talaga siya. Alright, let's start. Blending again. Okay, balikan ko kayo pag medyo napuno-puno na ulit to. Okay, guys? Later! Alright, guys. And tada! Eto na! Nagawa na natin. Nahugasan ko na yung ating juicer. Okay na yan. Thank you so much. And also yung parang power blender natin kanina. Thank you. And now, ito na yung finished product natin. Tada! Madami, di ba? At dito natin siya ilalagay. Ngayon, since na-juice na natin siya, dadagdagan natin siya ng cinnamon, ground black pepper to activate the turmeric, also cayenne pepper, and more turmeric powder. So, let's go. Kumuha tayo ng fork. Ayan. Hi, guys. Okay, let's go. So, let's put some cinnamon powder. Cover lang natin lahat ng space. So, this is good for, I think, mga 7 to 10 days. Kung araw-araw iinumin. So, yes, kailangan natin tong inumin kasi tayo ay may trip out of the country and sa dami ng mga kung ano-ano ngayon sa air, we need our protection. Ayan. So, okay. We made a little mess. Now, the black pepper. And then yung cayenne pepper. Napakatulis ng ating Scissor. Very good, no? Ngayon ginagawa ko, minsan hindi ko siya sinashot. Inaano ko siya. Sinasama ko. Nag-juice ulit ako. Siguro kung ano yung meron dyan. Carrots, carrots, cucumber, orange, apple. Tapos nalagyan ko nung isang shot. So, ganito natin siya ilalagay. Ay, wait. Turmeric pa pala. Isama na natin yan sa paghalo. Okay, so we have put all the dry ingredients and let's mix. Balikan ko kayo, ha? Pag na-mix ko na lahat to. Alright, so now, na-mix na natin. And we will put it in all of the containers. Alright, so let's start. Okay, so now, here it is! Tada! Ito yung finished product natin. This set will be with my parents, and this would be me and Aurora. And hopefully, before tayo umalis, by March 22, ubos na yan! For more immune system, go, go, go! So, kanina, pinakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung health benefits of the ginger shot, and hopefully, gawin din ninyo. So, alright, I'll see you all on our next adventure. Bye!